The Bundesbank is planning a phased relocation of 300 tons of gold from New York to Frankfurt, as well as an additional 374 tons from Paris to Frankfurt by 2020. This means they're taking their percentage of their gold held in France to zero, and they're reducing their holdings in New York by 20%, because right now they have 1,500 tons there. So over the next 7 years, they're going to bring 40 tons a year back.
Now, since 2009, central banks have been buying gold, reversing a 40-year trend. And I would expect Germany now not only to be repatriating gold, but to be actively buying gold, just like Russia is actively buying gold. China is actively buying gold. Germany will be actively buying gold as well, and as it becomes known that this gold is not where it's supposed to be, expect panic buying of gold. That's how we get to $10,000 an ounce on gold and $500 an ounce on silver.
Now, this is a huge political statement as well to ask for your gold back in light of the fact that all our international trade, all our international currencies are based on fiat and faith in that system. So the fact that Germany is asking for so much gold, as the Financial Times says, the largest ever movement of gold in world history. And then, so the Financial Times gives a hint of the reason why Germany would make such a grand request. Bundesbank weighs bullion against public pressure. So I want to look back and how did this public pressure come about? And indeed, I could tell you why it came about. Here is the man Nostradamus warned you about, the one that would cause World War III.
Maxadamus! Maxadamus! That this is World War III. It's a currency war. We've been calling this for 10 years. Really, since we started doing our podcast 10 years ago, we said this is what this century is going to be defined as the currency war. Buy gold and silver. Gold was $250 an ounce at that time. Now it's $1,600, $1,700 an ounce. And we've taken our audience with us as the most outstanding performing asset for the decade.